In this video, I'm going to show you how to repost Instagram Reels. So in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and open the Reels here, and then we're just going to go ahead and click this airplane icon here. If I were to click on that, you have the option here to add this to your story. And if I were to do this one, this is what we will see. So you have here the reel itself, and you have here the name of the one who posted this one. The problem here is that this is only available to your friends. Only your friends will be able to see this one and not the public. So in order for us to be able to add a reel here or repost a reel here for others to see, I'm just going to go ahead and basically click this three vertical dots here, just like so. And then you have here remix original reel. Now take note that not all the videos have that option, so you're going to go ahead and check them out. Now from here, what I'm going to do is just click edit video, just like so, and then we're just going to go ahead and add something here. To do that, we are going to go ahead and click this one right here, and you can go ahead and basically upload any picture or any videos here, but in my case, I'm just going to use the camera. So I'm going to click it. So now that we are here, we're just going to go ahead and record, say for example, a 3-second video. So I'm going to click this one right here. All right, that should be enough. And you can see that now it has been added in here. So let's go ahead and try to cut this. You can actually cut this one. So I'm just going to cut it up to 18. So I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to click split. And yeah, after doing so, you have this clip right here that we don't need. We can just go ahead and discard this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click the discard button, just like so. And yeah, after doing so, we're going to go ahead and click this icon right here. I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to go ahead and click share. And there you go. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here. And as you can see, it is working right now. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.